There's another Australian company putting on a fantastic show here for PRI 2012, and I'm talking about SuperPro Suspensions. I'm here with Scudamore-Smith to find out all about it, mate. Exciting year this year for you guys because you've got a bunch of new parts.
Yes, on our stand this year we've introduced three particular chassis: the FRS BRZ, the VW Golf range, which goes Mark 5, Mark 6, and the 370Z. To complement the Nissan, we also have the GTR 35 Skyline. What's so different about those, or what's new about those? Well, we've taken our unique material, which we've traditionally grown our brand name on, and we've blended it in with some new metalwork to make this a really good kit for the market.
All right, just to rehash, tell us a little bit about the material that you use in your bushings.
Our SuperPro bushing material is uniquely developed in Australia. If we go back to Australia where we come from, our business is about service industry. It's about long life. It's about making a bushing working, giving the customer good service life, but then adding the dimension of performance. Performance to get the maximum tyre contact grip, performance to make the car handle better for the customer. Adding to that is the sway bar range. The sway bar range is complementing the bushings to give the grip, but the sway bar range can control the body movement to make the kit a complete kit.
Is this the first year you've offered the sway bars?
Most definitely. On display we have our first range of sway bars for the late model vehicles, particularly these vehicles. These are made out of solid material. Early 2013 we'll introduce the tubular range of sway bars to complement these vehicles.
On top of having the biggest range of poly bushing and parts in the market anywhere, you also have a bunch of aluminum parts on display this year.
Yeah, the aluminum parts add to the simplicity for the customer to fit. By adding the aluminum, which is weight saving, which is saving of fuel, which is where manufacturers are going, we're staying up to speed with the manufacturers, the original equipment manufacturers. The aluminum parts with the polyurethane bushing, our special formula, give ease of fitment and handling.
And with the sway bars, you had one on display last year, you have a new range of sway bars this year?
Yes, but the last year was a basic introduction of display. This year, they're now available, ex-stock.
Yeah, and what are some of the features and benefits of your sway bars?
Each one's developed by a person with a hands-on knowledge. We add the bends so that they fit easily, we add the links so that they don't slide around, and we make them easy to fit with original equipment mounting bushings.
With such a large range of parts in the US, what kind of distribution do we have in place?
Distribution's important so the customer can get his product easily. On the East Coast, we have P1 Performance based in Baltimore with full stock, and on the West Coast we have Foreign Auto Tech in San Francisco with a range of stock.
And again, what are some of the benefits of choosing SuperPro suspension over other parts on the market?
We always say that the benefits of SuperPro is our culture of a hands-on suspension business that's moved into manufacturing of polyurethane bushings. We bring that culture of knowing what fits, what works, complemented with the rest of the suspension system, the geometry, the shock absorbers, the springs, and adding the bushings to that works.
Excellent. Well, there's a huge range of parts to look at. You can find them all online. Just head to superpro.com.au.